Library Kids.
Hello everyone, today we study English phrases that are great for learning and daily use. Let's start now. Good morning! How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you? Doing great.
I'm fine, thank you. Good to hear. What's your name? My name is
Is Alex.
My name is Jenny.
Jenny, really?
Yeah, my parents thought it was unique.
That's so cool.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
This park is great.
Yeah, it is. Where are you going?
Just for a walk. Want to join?
Maybe later.
Okay, see ya.
See you later.
Bye, see you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Can you help me?
Sure, what's up? I don't understand.
It's okay, let me explain.
Okay.
So, this device projects the images.
Please say it again.
I said the device is ready.
Wow, can we try it?
Of course.
How much is this?
It's $10.
Okay, I'll take it.
Wonderful, I'll wrap it up for you.
Excuse me, where's the restroom?
Just down there on the left. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
What time is it?
It's around 4:30.
Yeah, about that.
Thanks. I'm hungry. Me too. Let's get something to eat. Good idea. The cafe is this way. Let's go. Okay. This is going to be great. Yeah.
Thank you for watching this videos. Please subscribe for more.